This video is based upon the author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feelings. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Idol's personal life. So, don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video, cherries. Well, it's our bunny, Jungkook's FF, and it is an Indian-Korean FF. Guys, remember all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So, don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. Taeyang, I will find you soon and marry you, Luna, he said, and the lady said on the couch. Taeyang, I miss you so much that no words can say how much I need you. He wiped the tear which is escaped from his eyes. Taeyang, I will make everything perfect, he mumbled to himself while looking at the photo. Jihan, YN, if you don't mind, can you give me a number? He asked, which made you look at him while raising your eyebrows. You, why? Any reason? Jihan, no, actually did you forget that we have to do project work together? He said and he slapped your forehead. You, oops, I totally forgot about that. Lend me your mobile, you said and he gave your number to him. Then he was about to study. Johan was about to go, but Avi word stopped him. Avi, hey young man, I understood that. You're head over heels for her, but back off. Jihan, why? Do you love her? He asked, which made Avi's eyes widen, and she slapped his forehead. Avi, you idiot, I'm saying for your safety. If you go around her again, then forget about leaving. Jihan, I don't care, I can face any danger for her. Avi, all the best bro, she said, and she patted his shoulder. Avi, Vayana, let's eat ice cream please, she said while pouting cutely, which made you awe at her cuteness. You, my dear beautiful bestie, we can't go. If he'll get to know, then he will kill me. Avi, okay then, let's go to his house. I want to see that clearly. You sure? Avi, of course, I'm not scared of devil. Then do you think I will get scared of him? You, he's more scary than devil, he said, and she let out a scoff. Avi, I don't care, and the driver is here. Then let's go, she said while dragging you. And you both sat in the car, and you made your way to his mansion. Avi, oh my, is this hell? Why there is only dark vibes in this house? You, he likes everything black. Avi, but you're white, then why he likes you? She asked innocently, which made you look at her with that behavior. But suddenly guns on had been earned, which made you both of you jump in your place. Avi, what is that sound? You, I think he killed someone. Avi, what? She shouted loudly, and you closed her mouth. You, don't shout loudly. He don't like it. Maid, madam, do you want anything? She asked while looking down, not daring to meet your gaze, which made a sigh left from your mouth. You, nothing, and don't be scared of me, you said, and he was about to pat her shoulder, but she moved back. You, come, let's sit, you said, and you both sat, but suddenly you heard the familiar yet scary voice from behind. Jungkook, my princess came to see me? He said, and he came in front of you. Then you saw him wiping his bloody hands with kerchief, and his shirts had blood spots, which made you gulp. Jungkook, Avi, nice to meet you, he said, but your bestie is shocked to see him, and he nuzzled your elbow in her stomach, which made her speak. Avi, nice to meet you, Mr. Jian. Jungkook, you can go now, as he dropped my princess. Avi, Mr. Jian, can I ask you something? She said, which made you shudder, because if she'll ask something which provokes his anger, then he's not going to leave her. Jungkook, I don't have time for your silly questions. Avi, please. It's very important. It's about YN. Yeah, Avi. Oh God, what she's going to ask? He won't leave her and he will harm her if she'll ask something else. God, she'll not stop it if I will close her mouth. Why did I brought her to this mansion? End of your POV. Jungkook. Okay. Bark. Avi POV. Do you think I'm a dog that you're telling me to bark? I will take my revenge very soon. End of Avi POV. Avi, if you don't love Vian, then why you kept under your gaze? She doesn't love you. Please, free her. She said, which made you widen your eyes. You're scared dazzled. You turned towards Jungkook. He's clenching his fist. He harshly kicked the glass table, which made it shatter into tiny pieces. You, Avi, go now. Avi, not until I get answers. Jungkook, how dare you to meddle in our life? Just get lost before I harm you. He shouted loudly while controlling his anger. And Avi was about to speak, but you caught her wrist and you made her go out. You, please go to home. I will call you, okay? Avi, but you.
हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर कहीं पे हो रातें कहीं पे सवेरे आवाज़ रही सा ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा कि मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह।
फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल, फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल। ये बादल की चादर, ये तारों के आंचल में छुप जाए हम पल दो पल। ओ फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल,
फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल। देखो कहाँ गए हम सनम साथ चलते, जहाँ दिन की बाहों में रातों के साए हैं ढलते।
चल वो चौबारे ढूंढे जिनमें चाहत की बूंदे, सच कर दे सपनों को सभी।
आँखों को नीचे नीचे, मैं तेरे पीछे पीछे, चल तू जो कह दे तू अभी।
पहाड़ों की छत हो, दुआओं के खत हो, पढ़ते रहेंगे गजल। हो फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल, फलक तक चल साथ मेरे, फलक तक चल साथ चल।
देखा नहीं मैंने पहले कभी ये नजारा, बदला हुआ सा लगी मुझको आलम ये सारा।
सूरज को हुई हरारत,
एक जान है भले दो बदन हो जुदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी ना कहना अलविदा। मेरी सुबह हो तुम ही और तुम ही शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो। मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी ना कहना अलविदा।
तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं आना अपने तो दिल का पता दे, चाहूं मैं आना। इतना बता दूं तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूं तो नहीं दिया, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने अब जो लगा हो मिले, पूछूं तुझे एक बार। ख्याल में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए। तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी, हिस्से में फासले ही तेरे बेमिसाल आए। अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना। दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना। रच के रुलाया, रच के हंसाया, मैंने दिल खो के इश्क कमाया। मांगा जो उसने एक सितारा, हमने ज़मीं पे चांद बुला संभला था, टूट गया फिर एक दफा। बात बिगड़ी है इस कदर, दिल है टूटा टूटे हैं हम। तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे कभी दम, तुझे कितना चाहे और हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहे और हम।
पाया मेरा है तेरी शक्ल, हाल है ऐसा कुछ आजकल। सुबह में हूँ तू धूप है, मैं आईना हूँ तू धूप है, ये तेरा साथ खूब है, हम सफर
देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार वे, होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे। रब्बा मैनू की हो गया, दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया।
सुन के तेरी बातें सुने यार वे, माही मैनू तेरे नाल प्यार वे। हाय मैं मर जावा न जाने, हाय मैं मर जावा।
इन कदमों में सांसें वार दे, रब से भी ज्यादा तुझे प्यार दे। रब्बा मैनू माफ करे, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैनू माफ करे।
तुम तो मेरी जिंदा मेरी जान वे, मेरे तो ज़मीन आसमान वे। तुझे बिन मैं की करा, रब्बा खैरिया हाय मैं की करा।
ना हो तू उदास, तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। ना हो तू उदास, तेरे पास पास मैं रहूंगा जिंदगी भर। सारे संसार का प्यार मैंने तुझी में पाया। तू मेरे दिल की